Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a follow-up to the post I made this morning. So here is hubby in the process of cleaning. What can I say? Last year we cleaned the snow together and we had a big snowstorm. This year I said, okay, the car cover needs to be used, but I don't know if he got a little relaxed or what, but he never did. But luckily the snow is not as much, so it should be done soon. But check it out. It shouldn't take him that long. He's doing good though. You want to say hi?
It's not even funny.
But he's doing quite well, I'd say. Nice job. It'll be done soon. It won't take him that long. The snow is soft, so it's removed easily. And it's only about 30 degrees, which is not bad at all for us. He just turned the engine on.